Hello everyone, this is Shahabaz here. Welcome to Gurudevacademy. In this session, we'll be looking at the simplification. In this session, we'll be looking at how easily we can multiply, how easily we can subtract, and how easily we can divide the things. Starting with the first thing is how to divide a number with 25. Okay, many of the people get stuck here. If the question is 625 divided by 25, everyone knows that 625 is a square of 25. I can directly cancel 25 ones are 25, how much are 25 25s are, the answer will be 625 divided by 25, the answer will be how much are 25. But when it comes to 975 divided by 25, the student will get stuck here. Okay, so to understand that, first we'll understand how 25s are coming here now. Okay, what is the criteria for a number to be divisible by 25? Always remember that whenever you are having two zeros in the last, or whenever you are having 25 at the last, or you are having 50 at the last, or you are having 75 at the last, that number will be divisible by 25. Okay, now we'll understand that if I ask you how many 25s are there in 100, you will tell me that there are 4 25s in 100 here. If I ask you how many 25s are there in 200, the answer will be 8 here. Now if I ask you how many 25s are there in 1100, the student will get stuck here. To understand that point, understand the logic that in 100, how many 25s are there? 4 25s are there. If I ask you how many 25s are there in 200, I will just multiply 4 into 2, that will be how much here? 8 here. Now if I ask you how many 25s are there in 300, my answer should be 4 into 3. How many 25s are there? 12 25s are there in 300. If I ask you how many 25s are there in 700, I can tell you that 4 into 7, that is nothing but 28 25s are there in 700. If I ask you how many 25s are there in 1100, my answer will be 4 into 11, 44 25s are there in 1100. In the same wise, if I ask you how many 25s are there in 1200, my answer should be 12 into 4, 48. My answer is 48 25s are there in 1200 here. Okay, the same logic I will be applying here to divide any number with 25 now. If I ask you 625 divided by 25 is there, I think everyone knows the answer is 25. But we'll try to understand in a splitted manner here. So can I tell that this 625 consists of 600 plus 25? Yes. If I ask you how many 25s are there here? 125. How many 25s are there in 600? The answer should be 4 into 6, 24. The answer will be 24 plus 1, 25 25s are there in 625. I think everyone is understanding the point. So directly I can cancel 25 ones are 25 25s are will be the answer for that one. If I go with the next one, 750 divided by 25. Just by observation I can tell that it is 700 plus 50. How many 25s are there in 50? 2. How many 25s are there in 700? 7 4s are 28. That is 28 plus 2, that is 30. I can tell that 25 ones are 25, how much are 30s are. Okay, I think everyone knows that 25 ones are 25 threes are is there. But to understand the complicated question, we'll understand the same logic here. Now, if I ask you 450 divided by 25, I can tell that by observation it is having 400 and it is having 50 here. If I ask you how many 25s are there in 50, it is 2. How many 25s are there in 400? That is 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 2 will be how much here? 18. I can tell that 25 ones are 25, how much are 18s are. Okay, in the same way, 975 divided by 25 is there. It is nothing but 900 plus 75. How many 25s are there in 75? That is 3. In 900, 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 3 will be how much are 39. I can tell that 25 ones are 25, how much are 39s are. Okay, if I go with the next number here, if I ask you 4875, I can split it as 4000, okay, and it is 800 and this is 75. How many 25s are there in 75? 3's 25s are there. How many 25s are there in 800? 8 4s are 32. Okay, 8 4s are 32. If I ask you how many 25s are there in 800, the answer will be 32. How many 25s are there in 8000? The answer should be 320. In the same way, how many 25s are there in 400? That is 4 4s are 16. How many 25s are there in 4000? That is 160. So, okay. 160. If I add this one, this is nothing but 5 and this is nothing but 9 and 1. My answer should be 25 ones are 25 195 are. Okay. Now go with the last question now. What is that here? 6,675. I can write it as 6,000. Okay. And 675. How many 25s are there here? 3 here. How many 25s are in the 600? 6 4s are 24. And how many 25s are here? 200 and how much it is? 240. 240 and this is 24 and this is 3. Add it. 4 plus 3 will be 7. 4 plus 2 will be 6 and this will be 2. My answer will be 25 ones are 25. How much are 267 are? I think everyone got the concept here. Whenever you are dividing it by 25, use the logic here. Okay. Now we'll move to the next session now. Okay. The next one will be subtraction here. Okay. If you observe here, I am subtracting 2 digit minus 2 digit here. Okay. Now, if I want to solve this question, first we'll go with this one. 41 minus 18. Everyone knows how to take a borrow method or how to take a carry method. Now, today I will be telling you a simple way to understand the subtraction. Now, if I ask you, this 18 is near to 20. Yes, I am converting all the bases to nearest to tens now. Okay. So, can I tell that to make 18 to 20, I can increase this by 2. Yes. If I increase this by 2, it is becoming 20. Now, if I am increasing this by 2, I should increase the 41 also by 2. That is nothing but 43 here. Now, you can subtract 43 and 20 very easily. What is 43 minus 20? The answer will be 23 here. I think everyone is getting. I am increasing the base number with something near to 20, 30, 40 and all. That is multiple of tens here. In the same way, if I want to subtract 62 minus 19, this is 20 here. Yes, everyone. And that if I am increasing by 1, I will be increasing 62 by 1. That is 63. What is 63 minus 20? The answer is 43 here. I think everyone is getting. If I want to go with this one now. So this is nothing but 20. That means I am increasing it by 2. I will increase 81 by 2 also. It is nothing but 83. What is 83 minus 20? It is nothing but 63 here. Okay. In the same way, I am increasing this by 4. That is 20. This will be 96. 96 minus 20 will be how much here? 76 here. Okay. In the same way, 83 minus 49. It is nothing but 50 and this is nothing but 84. 84 minus 50 will be how much here? 34 here. Okay. Daily practice it. Without using the pen, you can subtract many of the questions here. Okay. I think everyone is done with the point here. Now we'll go to the multiplication with 11 here. Okay. What Vedic mathematics tells here is whenever you are multiplying any number with 11, split the numbers, add the numbers which are consecutive numbers here. Okay. Now, if I want to multiply 45 into 11, what Vedic mathematics tells is split the number. I will write 4 here. I will write 5 here and add the consecutive numbers. 4 plus 5 will be how much here? 9. My answer will be 495. In the same way, 36 into 11 means I will write 3 here. I will write 6 here. 3 plus 6 will be 9 here. Okay. If I am multiplying 72 into 11, what I will do? Split the numbers here. 7 it is. This is 2. 7 plus 2 will be how much here? 9 here. In the same way, I will be splitting this and adding the consecutive number. I will be writing 4 here. I will be writing 1 here. I will be adding the consecutive numbers. 1 plus 2, it is 3. 2 plus 3, it is 5. 3 plus 4, it is 7. My answer will be 47,531. Whenever you are multiplying any number with 11, split the numbers, add the numbers. If I ask you 4, 3, 7, 2, 5, 4, 8 into 11 is there. What I will do? I will be writing 4 here. I will be writing 8 here. I will be adding the consecutive numbers. What is 8 plus 4? It is 12. 1 carry. 5 plus 4 will be 10. 5 plus 4 will be 9. 9 plus 1 will be 10. 1 carry. 5 plus 2 will be 7. 7 plus 1, 8 here. 2 plus 7 will be 9 here. 7 plus 3 will be 10. 1 carry. 4 plus 3 will be 7. 7 plus 1, 8. My answer will be 48098 here. I think everyone got the concept here. Okay. Now, we'll move to the next time. The last part of this one, multiplication with 25. I think everyone remembers how we are dividing a number with 25. Now, we'll see how to multiply a number with 25 here. Okay. Now, if I ask you what is 4 into 25, we'll not write here now. Okay, we'll write here. If I ask you 4 into 25, it is nothing but, can I tell that 25 can be written as 4 into 100 divided by 4? Yes or no? 100 divided by 4. I can cancel this as 4 ones are 4 ones are 1 into 100 will be how much here? 100. That means I can tell from this example that whenever I am multiplying any number with 25, divide that number by 4 and add zeros. Okay. Now you should remember one point here. Whenever, suppose if I ask you, whenever I am dividing it by 4 by 4, am I getting a remainder? No. Whenever no remainder is there, I will be adding 2 zeros. Okay. Whenever there is a single remainder, I will be adding 25. Whenever there is 2 remainder, I will be adding 50. Whenever you are having 3 remainder, I will be adding 75. Whenever there is no remainder, it is 0, 0. Whenever a single remainder is there, I will be adding 25. Whenever there is a 2 remainder, I will be adding 50. If there is a 3 remainder, I will be adding 75. So what is this logic here? If I ask you what is 44 into 25 means, I can divide this 44 by 4 here. If I divide 44 by 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. There is no remainder left means I will be adding 2 zeros. That is my answer will be 1100. I think everyone is getting. If I ask you, if I multiply 45 into 25 means, can I tell that if it was 44, it was divided by 4, it will be divisible by 4. That means when I am dividing 45 by 4, there will be one remainder. Whenever there is one remainder, I will be adding 25. 2 remainder, I will be adding 50 here. 3 remainder, I will be adding 75. Now look at the point here. When I divide this 45 by 4, I will be writing 4 ones are 4. Yes, 4 ones are 4. How much is remaining? 1 is remaining means I will be adding directly 25. My answer will be 1125. Now if I ask you the next one, if I multiply 46 into 25 here, now if I divide it by 4 here, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, how much is the remainder left here? 2 remainder means I will be adding 50 for that. My answer will be 1150. Now if I go with the next one now, 47 into 25. If I divide this number by 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, how much is the remainder left here? 3 remainder left. Whenever 3 remainder is left, I will be adding what here? 75. I think everyone got it. Whenever there is no remainder, I will be adding 2 zeros. 1 remainder, I will be adding 25. 2 remainder, I will be adding 50. 3 remainder, I will be adding 75. I am repeating once again. No remainder, 0, 0. 1 remainder, 25. 2 remainder, 50. 3 remainder, I will be adding 75. Okay. Now we'll solve the questions now. Now 44 into 25. I will divide this by 4 now. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. No remainder means I will be adding 2 zeros. My answer will be 1100. Okay. Now 45 into 25. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. 1 is remaining. I will be adding 25. My answer will be 1125. Whenever I am multiplying into 25 now, divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. Yes, everyone. 4 ones are 4. How much is remaining? 2 is remaining. When 2 is the remainder, I will be adding 50. My answer will be 1150. Okay, now coming to this. Okay, 4 8s are 32. Yes or no? How much is remaining? 1 is remaining. 4 how much are 4? 3s are 12. No remainder is left here. I will be adding 2 zeros. My answer will be 8300. Okay. Now coming to this one now. If I divide it by 4, 4 ones are 4, 2 is remaining. 4 6s are 24. 4 ones are 4, 2 is remaining. 4 6s are 24. 1 is remaining means I will be adding how much is 0 0 or 25? 1 remaining, I will be adding 25. My answer will be 161625 will be the answer for that. Now coming to this question now. 4 ones are 4. Okay, I will be taking a 0 because 33. 3 is not divisible by 4. I will be taking 33 now. 4 how much are 4 8s are 32 means 1 is remaining, I will be adding 25. My answer will be 10825 will be the answer for that. Okay. Now, if I go with the next one, okay, 4 ones are 4. No, 3 will not go. 0 I will be taking. 34. 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. How much is remaining? 2 is remaining. When 2 is remaining, when 0, nothing is remaining, 0 0. 1 is remaining, 25. When 2 is remaining, I will be adding 50. My answer will be 10850, 10,850. I think everyone got the concept here. Okay. So this was the class by Gurudev Academy. So this was the class on simplification. My name is Shahabaz here. So for the next session, if you like this session, please comment in the comment box so that we will be coming with the next session. Thank you everyone. Thank you.